Okay, good morning everybody. So, today I am going to do a product review on Mountain House Adventure Meals. Don't know, these are freeze-dried meals. They come in many different flavors. This one we're trying today is a breakfast biscuits and gravy. And those that know me while camping know that I love my biscuits and gravy. So, total meals package right here is 260 calories. That's 560 calories. That's 280 calories per person. It's a two-person serving. Real simple instructions, and I already started this, so I'll just explain those instructions to you now. But you boil a cup and a half of water. You rip the bag open, pour it in, mix it up, seal the bag, wait 5 minutes, mix it back up again, wait another 4 or 5 minutes, and then serve. You're ready for breakfast. Okay, so moving right along, I already got this going, but we use these meals, I use them while out on kayaking and backpacking trips. This way I don't have to carry anything in coolers and keep it cold while backpacking. All I need to do is boil some water. So, we'll be right back in a little bit when I show you what this looks like when I stir it up here at the end of the 5 minutes. See you soon.
Peace, everybody.
Okay, the 5 minutes is up now, and I'm going to open this up and stir it up, but let me take a picture of this inside real quick for you. Try and do this one-handed opening it. So these are biscuits and gravy. That's what it looks like inside right now. I'm going to get that stirred up a little bit. Oh, the gravy did thicken up in there. I can't wait to try this one actually, because everybody knows I love my biscuits and gravy. Gotta be careful when stirring so you don't go and stir it puncture the package. Now, if I was out in the woods doing this, and look at that, that's some nice thick gravy there. If I was out in the woods doing this while backpacking, or on my kayak trip, I'd just burn my camp stove for a couple minutes, my little backpacking stove for a couple minutes, and then I'd be done. Oh, that tastes good. Yep, you know it. I gotta go and try the spoon. So I'm gonna get this sealed up, and I'll be right back with you in about 5 minutes when we get this served on some plates. Okay, so I just finished this up, and this is the meal. Biscuits and gravy by Adventure Meals, Mountain House Adventure Meals. As you see, I've already started to eat. Got some here for my son too. There are chunks of sausage in there, and the biscuits are there. They're just all chopped up and freeze-dried. That's the packages. So, how does it taste? Because you see I've already had some. It is a pepper gravy. So the best review I got. It does taste decent. I mean, if you're out in the woods or it's all you got left, that's a good meal substitute there. I will admit, the first couple bites I had with the biscuits, they were still hard with the cup and a half water and the time frame that they said. My biscuits were still a little hard, but it does have flavor to it. I've had worse. Does it replace cooking some biscuits and gravy in a Dutch oven? No, it doesn't. But it is good. Okay, everybody. Sorry about squinting here. We're outside. But, so I just got done eating that biscuits and gravy, and it did taste good. It did have some flavor. Yes, it's not like homemade, but it was savory. So, and the biscuits, yeah, they were still a little stale in there from being freeze-dried. But I got somebody else here that tasted it that wants to give his opinion on them.
Hello, everybody. My name is Christopher Risco, my dad's son. And I just want to say the biscuits and gravy was amazing. And, if you're on, a camping trip or something, that's a perfect meal. Perfect there and go. It's amazing. I want seconds, but there's no more.
Alright, so there you got it, everybody. Biscuits and gravy by Mountain House. Pretty good meal. So we'll keep that as a keeper and move on. We'll be trying some raspberry crumble later on today. Later. Bye.